Hey, it's your boy Monte with MoonLit Media, and we are here with
Anastasia,
Pam, Valerie.
We are about to shoot today. It's like gonna be an adventure, man. We're going in the mountains by a lake and everything. We're gonna have a good time. So I hope y'all enjoy the shoot. It's gonna be a blast.
Off-road.
yes!
We are now on this long drive. Bear with us.
I should have told me I have a unicorn.
Yes! Let us show that now. Yes!
Only 1 hour.
1 hour.
Only.
It's gonna feel like 5. Alright, we had to stop to get to the gas station. How you doing, man? We almost there. It's gonna be an adventurous day. Y'all get ready for the show. How do y'all feel about the shoot?
Amazing!
Oh my god, it was amazing!
We
can't wait for pictures
It was
and video.
Nice. We in the woods and everything. Shoot was dope. Got a lot of footage and a lot of photos. Hope you guys enjoy it. Here are the people that were a part of the project. Woo! Hey, come in, come in. Hey, group hug. Hope y'all enjoy the content. Peace.
Go and hug him.
Alright.
Okay, tell something.
I don't know what to say.
I don't know.
All right, we in. You recording?
Yeah.
I've been.
Oh, damn, bro, got me looking like a fool.
Are you on
Never
camera?
mind, I can edit that shit. So, cut.